Hello pilots. So we have recently made some changes in Lancepilot, and in this video I'm going to show you those changes. So first of all, we have added some copy buttons. So if you go to your inbox section and select a contact, you can now click these copy buttons to copy the content. For example, the number, the name, and here you can also copy the notes content if you have added a note. Also, if you come here on the contact and right click, you will see two options called copy contact number and labels. So you can copy the contact number as well by clicking like this. So right click and left click here, and now you have copied the contact number. Because this is difficult to do it like this, so it's better you do it like this. Now, the second change is the labels feature. So, you know, in WhatsApp applications, you can add labels. So if I just click here, I can actually create a new label. So let's name it new label. I can give it a color. So I'm going to give it a green color and create new label. Now I have successfully created this label, and I can attach this label to any contact. So if I right click, I have the labels option. Maybe we're going to change the name of this labels, and then I can select the label that I want to give to this contact. So I can select new label, and that label is added. Then you can use this to filter by labels. So if I click this, it is going to filter all the contacts using that label. So another change is you can now copy and paste an image when you are sending a message or sending an image message. So if I select this contact, I can also send a message to it. So now if I have already copied an image, so if I just paste it here, you can see that image is now uploaded, and now I can send this image. So that is how you can actually copy and paste images right now. So those were the new changes to Lancepilot. Thank you very much for watching this video.